Hi, welcome to the first series of the HBD 3D printing equipment. Today I'm going to give you a product demo of the HBD-80D. So this over here is the HBD-80D, as you can see. So this is our machine, which is dedicated for the dental industry, also for personal customization, because the size of this machine makes it suitable for all applications and it can fit anywhere, unlike our bigger machines, which I will show you around in this printing studio. Okay, this is a compact machine. Everything that you need for a metal 3D printer is in this unit. Quick dimension measurement of this machine. Coming in at 113. Coming in at 171. Coming in at 95. So the size of this machine makes it suitable for applications in different industries, in smaller industries, and for people who want to focus on personal customization. But here, this is not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk about the features of this machine. This machine is equipped with a 200-watt laser system, which is capable of scan speeds up to 10,000 millimeters per second. I've moved a little closer to show you the inside of this particular machine. So over here to our left, that's where you have the build cylinder, and over here we have our powder cylinder. And okay, let's talk user interface. So here is the new HBD user interface. All our machines, they use the same user interface. And we can see what you have here is a blueprint of what the machine actually looks like from inside. So over here to my right, you can see the build cylinder, and over here to my left, you can see the powder cylinder. And over here at the top, you can see the powder scraping mechanism. So what happens is, if I select whatever part I want to move in the build chamber, you can actually see it move from here. And for example, if I select the powder scraping mechanism, which is over to the all over to the left right now, and I move it, we can actually see it moving back. And I'm going to put a second camera so you can actually see as it moves simultaneously moving to the right. So all our machines come with this user interface, which has monitoring over here. You can monitor all the conditions in the build chamber. You have your status here, progress when you're printing part, and over here you have your layers, and over here at the top you've got your stop, you've got your play, and you've got your lock the system. So you can lock the system while it's printing to prevent anyone coming in and disturbing the print job. So on this HBD-80D, you can actually print a wide variety of materials ranging from stainless steel, chrome cobalt, tool steel, and so much more. And our machines are not material locked, so that means you can use different material suppliers for your machine. Another interesting thing about our machines, here you have your basic buttons for the machine. So emergency stop, you've got your power, this is your turn on and off, and the laser. So the laser is constantly turned off when you're not printing, but you can quickly turn it on. Another interesting thing about our machines is the light warning system. So when the status is red, it shows that the system is idle, the system is not working. When the system is actually printing, it will show a green and amber color. And when the system it has an error, it will be flashing. That's it for today in this new series of the HBD series machines. This is the HBD-80D, which are recommended for the dental industry and for personal customization because of its size, as I mentioned earlier on. And if you're interested in our metal 3D printing technology, you can visit hb3dp.com. You can also email sales@hb3dp.com. This is me, my 3D printing engineer from HBD. Thank you so much for watching this video.